Okay, I'm going to share screen now. I'll show reference image. The thing which we are going to draw. Today we will draw this one with free hand. This is called Kathakali face. It's a dance art form. Okay. Why we are choosing this one? For portrait, we artist will decide the and observe the expressions on the face. Okay. Kathakali is a type of art form where these dancers will put so many expressions when they are performing. Okay. Now if you see this portrait, he is looking like he's inviting all audience and he's telling something to look at him. Like, I'm going to start my performance. Look at, be ready. Like that, he is giving some expression. Okay. So, on this expression, we will work on today. It's very easy one. Circles, vowels, and some curves are there. Okay. Very easy painting and drawing. Okay. We'll all will do. Now, take scale and draw vertical line in the middle of the paper. Okay, identify the middle center point and let's put one point, center point in the vertical line. Okay, now above the center point, little bit above the center point, just draw a horizontal line, vertical line, and one more vertical line, and make it a rectangle like this. Draw one rectangle which should be equally placed. Centimeters. Draw rectangle like this. Use scale and draw. Draw one rectangle. Okay. Above part we will leave for the crown. Inside the rectangle we will draw face. Okay. Now inside the rectangle draw one more small horizontal line from the center point. Inside the rectangle draw one more small horizontal line like this. One more small box inside the rectangle. Now everyone should observe Everyone, see the screen. Don't draw. Okay. This one we have drawn now. Okay. See the screen. Don't draw anything. Corner of the small rectangle. I am drawing circles. Draw it. Corner of the small box. Draw circles. No need to use stencil. You try to draw with free hand. Okay. It need not to be perfect. Try. You will get. Okay. Draw it. Two circles. Very easy one. Draw. Yes. Now down to the circle. Just draw. Let me measure. Is it equal or not? Measure with the scale like this. Two circles should be in equally placed. Okay. Like this. After measuring, just draw two curves like this. Two curves. Done. After drawing two curves like this, just draw. Yes. Okay. Once you draw this one, you just reduce the curve shape. It should be very little curve. It should not be too much. Ah, that's it. Like a pot. Okay. Draw like a pot. And from the big rectangle, you need to come out like this. Pull the line out and make a U shape and attach it to this. Now attach to this curve. Okay. Just erase the extra lines so that the actual part will be visible more. Like this it should be. Now above here, just draw curve like this. Like a bow. Now from this to slowly you need to make a half circle. Like this. Put a half circle. This circle should come out little bit from the big rectangle and it should touch the circle. Now face part is ready. Face is ready. Okay, good. Yeah. Now I'm going to move to the next step where you need to do double line very carefully like this and erase this horizontal line. Now we don't need this horizontal line, the dot. Okay. Yeah. Now very important step I'm going to do, that is eyes part, nose and mouth. While doing eyes, you need to observe the screen. Don't follow and do. First, you need to observe the screen and then do. Okay? Don't don't draw. Just observe what I'm doing. Below to the circles, I'm drawing a horizontal line like this. And one more horizontal line. Okay. You know how to measure centimeters, right? Yes. Now what I'm doing, from the middle line, vertical line, or you can do one thing. You just keep the scale like this. From the curve, put 0 centimeters to the vertical line. Okay. And now you need to put two dots. 1 centimeter, 3 centimeters. Here, 5 centimeter, 7 centimeters. 1, number 1, number 3, number 5, number 7. Like that you need to divide. Divide it. Draw. Okay. Now observe the screen. Okay. In middle of these two lines, I am drawing one more line, horizontal line like this. 1 second. Observe the screen, don't draw. You need to observe properly, then only you can draw. Okay. In middle, just draw one more horizontal line. Now you have three lines here. Now you need to draw eyes. How to draw eyes? Draw like this. Everyone. Okay. Same thing I'll draw here. This side. On my right side. How? I'll start from this point. I'll do like this. Two half circles. Yes. Now down here, everyone observe the screen. I'm just putting one small circle over here like this. And this part you need to do like this. Like a leaf. Draw like a leaf. You know how to draw like leaf, right? Like that. Two sides, same thing. Okay. Now, once it is done, inside the eyes, you need to make one more line like this. He is wearing kajal, black kajal. Okay. For that, we left the space here. Okay. Yes. Now, observe the screen. Just draw a curve under his eyes and pull like this. Like that. Same thing here. Around the eyes, you need to draw lines, curve lines. Once you have drawn that, you just erase the horizontal line inside the eyes. Horizontal line, extra lines, whatever there, you just erase that and try to make it clean. Like this. Inside the eyes, I am drawing eyeball now. Circle and inside it one more eyeball is there with highlight. Inside the eyes, draw eyeballs. You have to draw circles for the eyeballs. So that eye part will be completed. Above the eyebrows, you just draw lines like this, curves. Okay. Now nose part, everyone observe here. Draw circle, small circle for nose part. Draw small circle. Done. And one more small circles like this, both sides. Okay. Now you just erase the above part of the circle like this. And below part. It should look like this. Like a wave. Now just draw curves near to the nose. And draw two standing lines like this. Now we'll move to the next step where we need to draw mouth. Okay. For drawing mouth, observe the screen under the nose. You just make two curves like this and put like this. It should look like a bow. Okay. Draw mouth. Okay. And chin part. Put chin. Erase the extra lines now. Okay. Now we'll move further. Here, this part, draw one bindi like this. Like draw a leaf, small leaf. Okay. Okay. Now observe the screen. I'm drawing a electric curve. Electric curve. Like electric curve you need to draw. And pot over his face. Reverse M here. Okay. Till here draw. Slowly draw. Don't draw it fast. Slowly you need to draw. Okay. Then only you will get. Now observe the screen. Draw lines. He wears some jewelry part. He is wearing some jewelry which looks like pot. So face part is completed. Now I'm moving to the crown part. Now what you do, just erase the rectangular box, big one. We don't need this rectangular box now. Erase this. His face is looking like this. Okay. Now draw one more line. Sorry. Like this. He's wearing some pearls, pearl jewelry in the crown. Okay. For that pearl jewelry, we need to give little space here. While painting, we will do with brush. Okay. So just leave the space over there. Once it is done, draw two circles. One circle here. And one more circle here. Two circles. Like this. Done. Kathakali dancers usually wears a big crown on their head. Okay. It weighs so much. Kathakali dance is a Indian art form. Okay. Now down from the circle, draw big circle. Everyone, draw big circle like this. Draw big circle, very big circle. Okay. Now just join these two circles like this. Okay. After that, just measure with the scale. We need equal horizontal line. Like this. And attach here. Again, use scale and draw one more horizontal on top of that. This you need to do. Okay. And top of that, here one jewelries are there. So that jewelry part we need to do. After that, reduce the size of horizontal line and join like this. Keep on reducing the size here, horizontal line sizes like this. Okay. Now draw one more horizontal line and join like this. Okay. Completed drawing work. Next thing is painting. Now take watercolor. Inside the circles, you just make small circles like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take watercolor cakes. Take brushes. 6 number brush. Water cloth. Take water. You keep all your pencils, eraser, scale aside. We don't need now. Okay. Whatever the extra lines are there, just erase that lines. Take 6 number round brush. Take emerald green. First, we will move from lighter value to the darker value. On the dry surface, we will be painting. We are not using any wet on wet technique. Well, now take light green and accept it his eyes, eyebrows, forehead part, mouth part, rest of the others you need to paint with green. Observe the screen how I am painting. Start from the cheeks. Observe the screen. Emerald green I am using. Don't paint in his eyes, mouth, forehead part, so that you need to observe what I am doing. Then only you can do. On the nose you can paint. Don't leave the patches. Okay. Try to blend like this. If you put little water, it will blend properly. Okay. It should look even. We are using small number brush. That is 6 number brush. Okay. Like this you need to paint the green color. I am applying second layer with same green color. First I'll start with the nose. Okay. Once it is done, what you do? Take dark green and near to the nose part, you just put line like this. We have drawn pencil marks, right? On that pencil marks, you need to put highlight like this. With the dark green, use dark green. Again, I'm telling, use dark green for doing this part. And with dark green, slowly you need to do like this. Here I'm showing so that the nose depth will come out. Tell Aruhi. Wherever the lines we have drawn, there and all, you need to put highlights. Okay? With the green color, dark green color, you need to put. Okay? Now, for the forehead, green we apply, no, there and all, you need to apply one more layer. Use dark green here for the forehead part. Okay? Now take dark green and above the eyes, we have drawn one curve, right? That curve you need to put. Now I'm applying red color. Apply red color here. Don't touch that leaf. Apply red color. On top of the red color, again apply the second layer. Let it dry and then you apply the second layer. Don't apply immediately, okay? If you apply immediately, it won't sit properly. Color won't apply evenly, okay? Do the red color. Now with sky blue color. With sky blue color. See here, see the screen. I am drawing circles with sky blue like this. He is wearing some blue pearls. Okay, with sky blue you need to draw circles. Above the red color part, with sky blue I am doing. Like this. Circles you need to do. Okay, once it is done, just take dark blue or sky blue. Okay. Each and every circle you just fill it with the blue color, little part, and leave the white space like this. Okay. I'm using 6 number brush, color sky blue. Do this one. Now take green color, emerald green, and above the sky blue, paint with emerald green. I'm using emerald green on top of the sky blue color. Okay. Do the emerald green. Once it is done, can do an above part here. You can do with red color. I'm using light red color. If you don't have light red color, mix dark red color with white. You will get light red color. Okay. While mixing colors, you can use white color for mixing. Let it dry. After that, we can do the detailing work. Emerald green got dried, so near to the line, this part, there will be some shadow. So you can do the shadow part like this with dark green. Whenever you are doing shadows, same green you need to use. If you are using base color as light color, for shadow you need to use dark color. Same color in the darker shade. Like that. Okay. Now I'm using again dark red for next half. This one. You can use orange mixed red if you want. If you don't want, use dark red. Use emerald green. Now once it is finished, red color, just put a band here. Above part, dark yellow color you need to use, which looks like gold. Okay. We don't use direct gold color. We'll use dark yellow color like this. If you don't have dark yellow, use light yellow then. for studs. Inside the circle, I am using dark green because for yellow it will give nice contrast. Like this. And then use light red around the small circles. For small circles, use light red. Okay? This. And for the border line, which color we need to use? Dark blue. Okay? For making borders, you need to use dark blue. Like this. Okay? And above circles, two more circles are there. For them also same thing. First coat with dark yellow color. And for the small circles, green and red you can use. Okay? Whoever, okay? Now, here, the same part I need to do with red color, light red color, okay? Crown part is dried, so we'll add some detailings. I'm just adding curve lines with emerald green. Take pink color, same thing, same curves you can make with pink. You don't have pink, choose red itself, okay? Next for the dark red, I'm using pink. Okay. And for the green, same thing. Take emerald green and just draw a few lines like this. Now for the above part with light red color. This you need to do. Okay. Once it is done, we'll move to the eye part. For darker value, how we will get? To get the darker value, what we'll do? We'll take dark blue first. We'll take dark blue to palette and we will add orange color to it. Then we will get darker value. That one you need to apply here. Okay. And even for the eyebrows. What you should mix? Take dark blue and mix it with orange color. You will get dark tonal value. That one you should apply to the eyebrows as shown here. Okay. Like this. Okay. And around the eye part, same thing. Take dark blue. Mix it with orange. Around the eyes, you need to apply. Don't put it in the eyes. Like this, you need to apply the kajal part. Okay. Now, uh, now everyone observe. It's a very important step. Okay. See for the eyeballs, I'm using red color. For the eyeballs, around the eyeball, I'm using light red color like this. This is the first layer which I am doing. Okay. Now observe the screen. Don't draw, don't paint. Now take dark blue and mix it with brown color, light brown color. Take dark blue and mix it with light brown color. You will get darker tonal value. Inside the eyes, you need to apply that. Everyone should observe how I'm doing. Don't do. This is the very important step. And with dark tonal value, just put the border lines like this. Okay? Do. Do it. For the eyes, first layer you need to put red color, and then you need to mix with dark blue and brown color to get dark tonal value. That one you need to put inside the eyeballs, small eyeballs. Okay? And for the mouth part, I'm paint that one. Okay? Okay, completed. Now in the forehead, you need to put yellow color. Almost done. Now what I'm doing, I'll take 6 number brush, 6 or 8. You can take anything. And with red color, take red color to palette and add more water to it. Just paint red color here. This circle, big circle. Okay. Red color I am using. This part you need to make with light blue color. Sky blue color you should use this part. Need to use sky blue color for this part. Okay. For background, it's very easy. So just put clear water first, like this, for the background. Be careful, it should not get mixed up with the color inside the colors. Okay. Just put water like this. Clear water. And then put red color. You can use different colors like sky blue, red, like that. Any color you can use, but it should be light background color. So I am using mix of light blue, green, okay, and yellow, like that. So when it's come down, I will be using red color, okay. Above part, can use blue color, sky blue. Whatever colors you want to mix, you can add like this. Once it is dry, no, it will give very nice look. You can add little bit pink. Yes. Can add little bit brown. Done. Completed. Do it.